Whether you want to learn a new skill or understand and prepare for a test, the next 2 minutes will change the way you learn forever.
Let's start with the S in SOAR, which stands for survey. Imagine you want to learn how to cook a new dish like, say, a spaghetti carbonara. Instead of jumping straight into the recipe, take a moment to look over the ingredients, the steps involved, and any pictures that might show you what it's supposed to look like. This quick look gives you an idea of what you're about to tackle.
Moving on to the O in SOAR, which stands for organize. Now, think about learning a new musical instrument, like the guitar. Before you strum your first chord, create a plan. Write down the basic chords and notes you absolutely need to learn and organize them in a way that makes sense. This creates a roadmap that helps you make sense of the music.
Next up, the A in SOAR, which is associate. If you're learning a new language, like Spanish, when you learn a new word, try to associate it with something you already know. For instance, if you know agua means water, associate it with the sound of water splashing to help you remember better.
Finally, the R in SOAR stands for regulate. Let's say you're trying to improve your basketball skills. As you practice, don't just shoot hoops without thinking. Regulate your shots by checking if your stance is correct, if your aim is on point, and if your dribbling is improving. Regulate your movements and practice to get better and better.
Why is the SOAR method so great then?
It's a more active form of learning and skill building. You're not just going through the motions, you're actively thinking about what you're doing or learning.
Second, it keeps things organized. Whether you're cooking, playing music, learning a language, or practicing sports, having a plan and structure makes all the difference between studying and learning.
Third, it helps you connect new skills and knowledge with what you already know. This makes learning new things easier and more enjoyable.
Finally, it gives you control. All you need to do is adjust your approach and practice to improve steadily.
So the next time you're tackling a new skill or learning something new, try it out. Survey, organize, associate, and of course regulate to make sure you're improving.
It might feel a bit strange at first, but with practice, it'll become a valuable tool in your learning and skill-building journey.
The SOAR technique isn't just for reading. It's a versatile approach that can help you learn and master various skills. Give it a try and most importantly, be patient with yourself as you practice.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content on how to learn everything faster.